It's actually Christmas Day. You have a Christmas Santa Claus right there. This is kind of a busy street right here. So doing some photography there. Just kind of see. So we're going to try to capture this circle. So they're going to try to capture some photography over there. So this is actually São Domingos, and it goes all the way up there, but we're going to start in the middle, and then we're going to go up that way and walk all the way back down again. So that's going to be our plan. And then this is kind of the centerpiece of São Domingos, which makes it kind of spectacular and beautiful right here. And we're going to try to capture some of the activity that's in the space because it's such a great little space. So stay tuned, and we're going to be filming Rua de São Domingos. I'm going to go up and share the street sign real quick as well. There it is. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here's Rua de São Domingos. So we're starting at the top part of it, and then before we go down, this is a different street right here, and this is marked by the Portuguese bookstore right there. Just gonna take a look real quick. The Portuguese bookstore. See what they got for their books and stuff like that. So you got some books in Portuguese, some children's books, crianças, cruzada, that's crianças. You have some liquor, 35, I like that a lot. That one is a pastel de nata liquor. There's a Portugal's Only Planet too, that's kind of cool. Sweet, intense, addictive, delicious, 35. Actually 35 is really tasty. You can get little shots as well. Another experienced Portuguese one, that's kind of cool too. And you got some of the books. They have English and Portuguese. A nice name. That's kind of cool. Feliz Natal. Today is actually Christmas. So today is actually December 25. So Script Road. That was October 14th. So actually I saw that. I went to that. Someday Samba of War. So anyways, this is also part of São Domingos as well. So we got a street sign right there. And you even have a chair here too. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to cross the street. Let me get a view of that yellow and green right there. So that's actually part of São Domingos as well. This also turns into another street called Pedra de Nolasca da Silva. Let's go across here. The one thing that's nice about Macau is you have a lot of people with cameras everywhere. I'm going to try to run across here. So now we're on São Domingos Street. So we started at the start of it, and we're going to go down to São Domingos Church. So busy and crowded today. Let me give a little context to stuff before we go down our street fully. But this is little Say Cathedral, Say Travessa. And São Paulo is the one that, sorry, São Domingos is the one that we're on, but I just want to give you a little bit of a highlight of this first. Kind of busy. Say Cathedral is way up there. You can also just kind of see, there's actually some beautiful murals up there. I was thinking of taking you up there, but I have filmed it other times too. murals are pretty cool though. Okay, so we're gonna take you back to our target street, which is Domingos. So Domingos started that way, and it continues down. We got some black and white bullseye right here, which is kind of a cool little spot. That spot right there. That goes up to Sao Paulo ruins. Which is also kind of a cool spot to film. Very photogenic. And now we're going to head into the center part. Let's go to the sidewalk briefly. And actually, Domingos is actually going to end over there by that church. So yeah, kind of a cool little space. Okay, so let's head back down. I like their hats. Those hats are super cool. Those hats. So now we're in St. Dominic Square. And you got the church in there. That's kind of the back side of it. And they kind of talk about it as well. So it was established in 1587. Dominicans from Acapulco, Mexico. Church of the Wooden Planks. Okay. 13th of May, there's a procession that goes through. That might be kind of interesting to catch. So you see the Largo. It's Domingos. We are going to try to capture let me see. It's inside the door. They got some beautiful doors and beautiful pillars. So let's step away slightly. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn around in a second. So now we have a nice view of St. Dominic's Church. At nighttime it looks really nice. It's more lit up. So we're just going to walk down a little bit further down. It's also so square is down that way. The sun is kind of bright. And it's from the distance. I'm just going to walk to this briefly to the spot because they got a bunch of Macau stuff they kind of set up recently. And this is actually called Travessa del Domingos. So we had Rua del São Domingos, and we have Travessa de São Domingos. And because they're kind of related, I think we're going to put them together. And I can also do my George Chinnery signs that I was thinking of doing. I like the murals. Macau. It's new. They didn't have those up until about a month ago. Yeah, and actually that one is kind of like old style. That looks like a George Chinnery painting right there. And then that Macau, it's really cool. And I got some more. So we might as well go all the way up. And I want to end with the George Chinnery paintings anyway, so we will go up to that spot. Merry Christmas. Today is actually December 25, by the way. That's a restaurant. Pretty popular one as well. Got more of our Macau. So yeah, this whole street has these new Macau signs on it. So, and we're gonna end by this George Chinnery Caliboy. Mesa Portuguese. That's the first Portuguese restaurant I ate at in Macau 10 years ago, or longer even. And then this has all the George Chinnery paintings, so we're gonna end it on this one. So that's the Chinese junk, 1837, drawn by George Chinnery, who I thought was British until just recently I found out he's actually Irish. But he was kind of associated with the British community. But I think he lived in London as well, so. And he had some more murals too. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Excuse me, that's live?
No, it's not live. I'll put it on YouTube though. I have it on Get Sidetracked.
Merry Christmas, my friend.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Oh, have a nice day.
Thank you.
What is that live?
Get Sidetracked on YouTube.
What?
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
What can you from?
It's called Get Sidetracked.
What's you from?
Me, I'm American.
I'm American.
Yeah, but the channel is Get Sidetracked. So if you go to YouTube and search for Get Sidetracked, you'll find it.
What is your YouTube channel?
Get Sidetracked. You got your YouTube?
Yeah, I have.
So if you find it,
Can I follow you?
yes,
Or not?
yeah, you can, of course. You can see all kinds of stuff in Macau.
Oh, no problem.
And Merry Christmas, by the way.
Oh, okay.
So here.
Yeah, you can type it. My part.
Okay. Oops, sorry.
Oh.
Oops.
Up.
Where'd it go?
Wait a minute. That is your blogger?
Yep.
Yeah, that I want.
I have a lot of stuff. There it is, right there.
Oh, wow.
So that should come up.
Can I subscribe you?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
All right. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
I show you.
Sounds good. Pretty cool. So these are some George Chinnery paintings. I will just show you the last one. So pretty cool. So and today is actually Christmas Day as well. Have a good Christmas. So these George Chinnery paintings have a lot of history to them. So they were built 1800s, and then you can kind of see some of the details. So I'm gonna just take a look real quick. So that's actually this is actually the bay. And I believe that that one would have been Mount Fortress where Sao Paulo ruins would have been at. Okay, so we're gonna continue all the way down, and then we're gonna come to conclusion, and then we'll come to the ending right here. And this is actually another George Chinnery painting, so we have all the details as well. So you got some Portuguese mixed in with the different dressings of that style, of that era as well. I believe this is actually George Chinnery as well. So he did all the watercolorings at that time period. So okay, so we're gonna end this video, and I think what we're gonna do is just gonna walk through. I'll kind of conclude about George Chinnery before we go. So we basically are walking around on Christmas Day. We did São Domingo Focus, and we also saw the George Chinnery. George Chinnery was interesting. I guess he's Irish. I thought he was British. Macau was Portuguese, but at a certain time period there was a lot of British that came in, and then later they moved over to Hong Kong, and the whole amazing story about all of that. George Chinnery was actually stayed here in Macau, even though there was actually some problems. The British were supposed to leave Macau, and he's like, he tried it, and he's like, I like Macau, but anyway, he's famous for doing watercoloring and kind of showing images of Macau to the world, to Europe in particular. So anyways, let's go back to our target street, which is São Domingos up here, and then we're gonna end our video. So hope you like it. Merry Christmas, everybody. I like those. Okay. São Domingos. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.